Kling 2.0 is here. This latest version is packed with features that will revolutionize the way you edit videos. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, Kling 2.0 has something for everyone. It's a powerful tool for video creators. Imagine having all the tools you need right at your fingertips, making the editing process smoother and more efficient. From basic cuts to advanced effects, Kling 2.0 covers it all. But today, we're not diving into the entire platform. We're focusing on a hidden gem, the multi-elements editor. This feature is designed to give you unparalleled control over your video projects. This feature is a game changer. Imagine being able to tweak every little detail in your video without any hassle. It's like having a magic wand that lets you perfect your content with just a few clicks. It lets you effortlessly remove unwanted elements from your videos. Whether it's an accidental object in the background or a distracting element, the multi-elements editor makes it disappear as if by magic. Think of it as your magic wand for video editing. With just a few clicks, you can transform your footage into a polished masterpiece. No more tedious frame-by-frame editing. With the multi-elements editor, you have precise control. You can zoom in on specific parts of your video and make adjustments with pinpoint accuracy. This level of detail ensures that your final product is exactly how you envisioned it. You can isolate and manipulate individual elements within your video. This means you can move, resize, or even change the color of specific objects without affecting the rest of your footage. This opens up a world of possibilities for enhancing your content. Whether you're creating a professional presentation or a fun personal project, the multi-elements editor gives you the flexibility to make your vision come to life. But the real star of the show is the delete function. This feature allows you to remove elements with such precision that it's as if they were never there. It's perfect for cleaning up your footage and ensuring that your final product is flawless. The delete function is exactly what it sounds like. It lets you delete unwanted objects, people, or flaws from your videos. Sounds simple, right? But its impact is huge. Imagine removing distracting elements in seconds. Delate makes this a reality. This function streamlines your workflow. It saves you time and effort. No more complex masking or tedious frame-by-frame editing. Delate does the heavy lifting for you. This lets you focus on the creative aspects of your video. You might be thinking, wait, isn't this just like video inpainting? While similar, Delate offers a distinct advantage. Video inpainting analyzes surrounding pixels. It then tries to paint over the unwanted element. This can sometimes lead to blurry or unnatural results. Delate, on the other hand, uses advanced algorithms. It intelligently removes the element. It then seamlessly fills in the background. This results in a cleaner and more natural-looking final product. The beauty of Delate lies in its versatility. It works seamlessly with both AI-generated videos and externally imported footage. Imagine creating a stunning AI-generated scene, but with one small flaw. Delate lets you quickly fix it without starting over. For externally imported videos, Delate acts like a magic eraser. It gets rid of unwanted objects, blemishes, or even photobombers. This gives you ultimate control over your footage. It ensures a polished and professional final product. Section 5. Delate in action real-world examples. Let's bring this to life with some examples. Delate is a powerful tool that can transform your video editing experience, making it more efficient and seamless. Whether you're a professional editor or a hobbyist, Delate has something to offer. Imagine you're a travel vlogger. You're constantly on the move, capturing stunning visuals from around the world. Your audience expects high-quality content that transports them to these beautiful locations. You're editing a beautiful shot of a sunset over the ocean. The colors are vibrant, the scene is serene, and it's the perfect ending to your latest travel vlog. But there's a pesky power line ruining the view. It's distracting and takes away from the natural beauty of the scene. You need a quick solution to maintain the quality of your content. With Delate, you can make that power line vanish in seconds. Simply select the object, and Delate's advanced algorithms will seamlessly remove it, leaving no trace behind. Your sunset shot is now perfect and ready to share with your audience. Or perhaps you're a real estate agent creating a virtual tour. High-quality visuals are crucial in showcasing properties to potential buyers. Every detail matters, and you want to present the home in the best possible light. You need to remove personal items from a homeowner's table. These items can be distracting and make the space feel cluttered, which might turn off potential buyers. Delate lets you do this quickly and easily. Just highlight the items you want to remove, and Delate will take care of the rest. The table is now clean, and the focus is back on the spaciousness and potential of the room. This maintains the focus on the property itself. By using Delate, you ensure that your virtual tours are professional and appealing, helping you attract more clients and close deals faster. Delate is not just a tool, it's a game changer for anyone involved in video editing. Section 6. Mastering Delate, a step-by-step guide. Ready to try Delate? It's incredibly user-friendly. First, import your video into Kling 2.0. Then, navigate to the Multi-Elements editor. Select the Delate function. It's usually represented by a trash can icon. Next, simply click on or brush over the object you want to remove. Kling 2.0 will analyze the surrounding area. It will then seamlessly delete the object. You can adjust the brush size for precision. It's that easy. Section 7. The Credit Crunch, Saving with Smart Deletions. Here's a pro tip. When working with AI-generated videos, consider removing unwanted elements before exporting. Why? Because each export in Kling 2.0 typically consumes credits. By using Delete during the editing phase, you can reduce the number of exports needed. This saves you valuable credits. These credits can be used for other projects. Section 8. The Price of Perfection, Delate, and your budget. Now, let's talk cost. When it comes to video editing, time is money. Every second you spend meticulously editing your footage is a second you could be using to create more content, engage with your audience, or simply take a well-deserved break. This is where Delate comes into play. Kling 2.0 operates on a credit-based system. Each action you perform within the software, including using Delate, costs a certain number of credits. These credits can be purchased in bundles, making it easy to manage your budget and plan your editing projects accordingly. The cost of using Delate depends on the complexity of the removal and the length of the video. For instance, removing a simple object from a short clip will cost fewer credits than removing a complex object from a lengthy video. This tiered pricing ensures that you only pay for what you need, making it a flexible option for editors of all levels. However, the time and effort saved often outweigh the credit cost. Imagine being able to remove unwanted elements from your footage in seconds, rather than spending hours doing it manually. This not only speeds up your workflow, but also reduces the stress and frustration that often come with tedious editing tasks. Think of it this way. Would you rather spend hours painstakingly removing an object frame by frame? This traditional method can be incredibly time-consuming and often leads to inconsistent results, especially if you're not a seasoned editor. Or would you rather use Delate to achieve the same result in seconds, even if it costs a few credits? The efficiency and precision offered by Delate make it a valuable tool in any editor's arsenal. By investing in credits, you're investing in your own productivity and peace of mind, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, creating amazing content. Section 9. Beyond Delate, Exploring Kling 2.0's Versatility. While Delate is a powerful tool, Kling 2.0 offers even more. You can explore other functions like swap. This lets you replace one object with another, or dive into the world of AI-generated backgrounds and effects. The key is to experiment, have fun, discover the endless possibilities of Kling 2.0 and unleash your creativity.